Blessed is the faith of those who persevere.